Hello guys, welcome to Vinjin Vlogs. Namaskaram, namaskar, namaskara, namaskarimalu.
Are you done?
How was it? Yes,
You done?
of course. So hope you guys are doing really great. And this is Vinay.
And I'm Sneha.
And welcome to
Vinjin Vlogs.
So today we are here with a fun-filled, entertaining,
Super entertaining.
amazing vlog, and that is
Called as Chubby Bunny. I guess you would have heard what that would be. It's a challenge. It's a marshmallow challenge. It's a super way to eat as much marshmallows as you can. Wait until the challenge starts. It
never
feels.
possible.
Okay, let me tell you what the challenge is. Okay, so you take each marshmallow and you eat it. You don't eat it, you just keep it in your mouth and say the phrase Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Yeah.
Chubby bunny.
Yeah, so
Tell me.
okay, so it's like,
Can we say
we'll
chubby
see.
tiger?
No, nothing. You have
Okay.
to say Chubby Bunny. Okay, and it's, let's see who has more room in their mouth to fit in as much marshmallows as possible.
Win this here, just here.
Your mouth.
Yes.
It's too small. Your mouth. You can't even eat a pani puri full. You break the pani puri
No, but
into half
that is
and then you
the
eat.
input place. But inside it.
Uh.
Let's see. Let's find out.
Let's find out. Let's
But
find
one
out.
problem.
It's a-
Can we tell it chubby lion? Because it doesn't suit with my personality.
You have to
Bunny.
say Chubby
Okay, fine.
Bunny.
Okay.
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 Do not
As
eat
per the
it.
rules
You're
of the
not
game.
gonna eat it. So
Okay.
we'll start doing it together.
Sure.
Okay?
Okay. So let's go to the challenge directly and hope you guys have fun watching.
We
us.
have a bowl full of marshmallows. Do you guys like it?
And one more thing.
Yeah.
There is a surprise after this.
Yeah, we are doing 2 challenges today. So
You almost forgot, huh?
no,
Ah.
I didn't.
It's a surprise
You
and it's a surprise and we don't want to tell you guys what it is because you guys need to
You will find it out.
Yeah, but you need
Find
to
it
watch.
out after this.
You need to watch the whole video to find it out.
I cannot wait to eat marshmallows.
Okay,
Come
then
on.
let's start. Okay, we're going to start. No timer, nothing, just who can fill in maximum amount of marshmallows in their mouth.
And say Chubby Bunny and it should be heard clearly.
Yes. And it's up
Clearly.
to you guys to decide who said it more well because we cannot decide because
Yeah.
I know I'm going to win but then you know.
You know.
I know.
You know who
He
wins
knows,
at
he
last. You
knows.
know.
Yeah, let's see. Let's go.
You guys are watching us from quite a long time.
Okay,
All
so
right.
let's start. Ready?
Let's begin. Yep.
I'm going to take the white one because
Okay, take
I'm
it.
a white line. Ready?
Yeah, you do fast. Say Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Don't eat it.
Even a side.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny. Okay, next one. Chubby bunny. Simple case.
Chubby Bunny.
Okay, next one.
Perks of having chubby cheeks. I have so much space to.
Chubby
put it
bunny.
inside.
Chubby
Huh?
bunny. You?
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby lion. See, I can tell anything. Chubby bunny.
Third one already you're not.
Oh.
Don't eat.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
You're putting everything in one side.
Yes,
Huh?
this I'm keeping it for the next.
Chubby
Look
bunny.
at your mouth.
Chubby bunny. We'll see. Keep tissue ready. Chubby bunny. Tell. Oh, don't eat. Don't
I'm
eat.
out.
You are eating. You are eating. Everything is everywhere. See here now.
Chubby Bunny.
You have some marshmallow on your lips.
Mm.
Eat it up.
Chubby Bunny, I told.
Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. Bunny.
Oh, you're eating.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Not clear.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Even though it's soft, once you put more in the mouth, it's paining. Out. I cannot eat marshmallow for a while. Winner is who told it clearly.
I told.
We'll see what it is.
You're eating marshmallows.
I ate some. So we have finally finished the Chubby Bunny challenge.
How was
it? Should have
it?
been Chubby Line. I think it was really fun, right? It's really painy. I'm not.
It's
really...
I was so excited to try this one, and it's so good. It's amazing. You guys also try it at home if you
Yeah, please get
like
hold of
marshmallows. It's
some
amazing. It's super way to eat.
marshmallows.
So
I
many
don't think so. It's paining now. It's
But
totally
it's fun. It's so
but
much
it's really
fun.
fun. Yeah.
Actually, you feel like
You
you
can
can eat it or stuff it inside, but then it gets really.
Yeah, actually when you see the size, it's like a normal size, but you'll feel that you can put more than 5 or 7 of them inside easily, but after the 4th one it's not
I think
easy.
I put around 6 to 7.
No, you put
and
more
I
than
won.
9.
Is it? Then I definitely won this
No,
challenge.
I put 11 or something.
Oh, chumma.
Really? Anyways,
Anyways.
now the next segment, what we
Yep.
are going to is the more exciting. No, not more exciting.
It is.
It is more exciting.
It is.
It is? Are you sure? And you guys
That's
want
why
to
we
know
have
what?
kept it for the last.
So, shall we?
Yep. I cannot wait.
Okay, so it's dun 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 dun. What's that? Helium balloon.
Yeah, guys.
So,
Vinay's gonna inhale this.
what? So please don't try this at home. Only under strict supervision. Yeah, anyone please don't. We are not telling to anyone to try this. Please don't try because I don't know how it's going to be.
It's for fun.
It's only for fun purpose, but we need to
This
first.
also.
Yeah, need to have first of all clean helium in the balloon. So we need to see how it's going to be. So first we need to find out how to get this knot opened. So let us find out. So finally the balloon is ready. So we're going to try it. We have never tried this.
We've never inhaled.
And please don't try
And,
this. We are not going to say to try it. How is
Okay?
it? Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, you do
Together?
first. No, maybe one by one. You do first.
Hello. Change aita.
Yeah.
Hello.
Are you changing it?
No.
No.
Vinay, how are you doing, Vinay?
Hey, really?
I'm not
Serious,
doing
huh?
anything, Vinay.
Really?
What's up?
Oh my god, it's really different.
It's your turn. Come on.
Hello. Hello.
Hey.
Hello. Hello. What's up? Yo, what's up? What's up? I think we should sing some song.
No, I
It's
think
really
you
cool.
should try some tongue twisters. Okay,
Yeah.
which one? Tell quickly.
The good cook one?
Okay, we have to say a good cook could cook good.
Okay.
Correct.
A good cook.
Good cook
good.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A good cook, good, good, good. A good cook, good, good, good. A good
So
cook,
funny.
good, good, good.
Good.
Now it's my turn.
Yeah. Inhale more.
Betty bought a pack of butter. It was bitter butter. She bought another pack of butter to make the bitter butter better. I think I can talk this, yeah, Western accent with this talk properly,
it's much better to talk this way. And,
finish it.
The voice is coming back. Oh my god, it's coming back. Oh.
It's already reached.
Okay, next one. What are you going to say?
Okay, I don't know.
She sells seashells on the seashore. Go for it.
Seashells on the seashore.
What is she?
She sells seashells on the seashore.
She sells seashells on the seashore.
Seashells on the seashore. She sells
Really?
seashells on the seashore.
Oh my god.
She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells on
My
the seashore.
sense. My sense.
Okay.
She sells seashells on the seashore.
Wow.
Hello guys, welcome to Vinjin Vlogs. This is
How are you all
Vinjin.
doing
This is
today?
Vinay.
Do you like our new voice?
It isn't good.
What
I
is
think we
it?
should keep it.
It's amazing, isn't
And
it?
and we are not
What
doing
do you think it is? How do you think it is?
and we are not doing anything to get this sound out of our mouth. You know, that's how we
Bitchy
talk.
water, pack of butter. It was bitter butter, so bitchy butter, then the pack of bitter butter to make the bitter butter.
You really don't know what that is, right?
Oh, you might finish up there.
Betty bought a pack of butter. She was bitter butter. It was bitter butter. She bought another pack of butter to make the bitter butter better. Red bulb, blue bulb. Red bulb, blue bulb.
In Malayalam,
Cycle rally bole lorry rally. Cycle rally bole lorry.
I think
None,
it's very
none,
good.
none. Cycle rally pole Rory. Cycle rally pole Rory. Cycle rally pole Rory.
I'm going to talk some Kannada.
Okay. It's purely yours.
Nange Kannada. It didn't come?
No.
Oh.
This feels amazing.
ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತು ಯಾಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡು ನಾನು
ಏನಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೆ?
ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾತಾಡು ನನಗೆ
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತು
ಏನಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾತಾಡು I'm getting little breathlessness I think so
Nothing will happen.
I'm just
Chumma.
kidding
Share. It became more. That much less.
Okay, let's tell our exit in this. Let's
Okay.
finish the vlog in this.
Okay,
How
let's
much ever
finish
it
the
comes.
vlog with this straight.
So, before doing it, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really
guys,
fun. And
click
please
the
subscribe.
subscribe button, guys.
And the bell
Come
icon.
on.
Give us the subscribe. Come on, we are inhaling helium for this. You know.
Not for this, but anyways.
Anyways,
it's fun.
yeah, it's
okay,
fun.
okay, come on. You have to give me yours, Lil, okay?
Maybe not.
Finish this video.
Anyway, ready? So hope
So,
you guys.
guys.
So hope you guys had an amazing time.
And how was our vlog, especially in this voice?
And please come back for more. We really had so much fun doing it, and it's the first time, and it's really changes the voice.
Both were like first time
Woo.
experience.
Yeah,
And
it's really good.
it's so
much
good.
fun.
It's nice. It's fun.
Yeah, and so please subscribe. to
Hope
our
this was
channel.
entertaining and you all liked it and enjoyed
Yeah.
watching this vlog.
And
so-
please come back for more videos. We'll be
Back
with another amazing video
vlog
real
next
soon.
week.
Yeah.
Yes.
So until then, it's bye.
Bye bye.